Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear browser cookies and website data in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10 or 11 and you want to delete browsing data or website cookies, let's see how can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in the browser, just click on the three dots at the top right and then click on settings. Under settings, just look for the option of history. So it might be you might get it here. If you can't find it here, so you can try to click on three dots again, then click on history, then click on history. So it will open all of your history. So you just have to click on this delete browsing data and then select the timeline. So let's say I'm gonna select all time, then click on delete data. So it will delete all of your data and history of your browser. So in this way, you can easily delete your website data, your cookies, and your browser cache in a few seconds. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.